Hi. Let's learn how to remove the tabs in the Facebook page. Log in your Facebook account. Click the right drop-down arrow. Select the page for which tab needs to be removed. Let's take an example to remove offer tab. Click Setting right side next to Help. Then select Templates and Tabs 4th row. Now on right side see for the tab list to add or remove. Let's remove the offer tab by clicking the Setting button. Now off the offer tab. Then click on the Save button. Click Page on left top below Facebook icon. Congrats, your offer tab is removed on the page. Download our app and learn. Thank you.